It's good to see you again.
Peter,
Oh, yes, sir.
you ready?
Absolutely. So, should we start?
Yeah.
This is history. So, this, if we think about what we're doing, guys, we are taking this, we're taking the potential of this, we will turn it into this. It's the same, but it's not the same. It takes the beauty of that and makes it even more beautiful. Because that is beautiful. And this, it is, I think, the interesting thing over the next amount of time will be, how do we do that again? How do we take something that's beautiful, but now we're talking about a global company and make it even more beautiful, more things to see. I think that not so long ago, that would have filled a room. Now it fills the palm of your hand. Beautiful.